Hey there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how you can create combined videos inside of dynamic videos. So let me move out of the way here and let me show you the final result, and then I'll show you how this works. Hey Brandon, I'm Dan here from Salesforce, and I've been checking your website, and I can tell that your company has been doing great, but I believe I can offer you a great tool so you can achieve even more. Okay, so as you can see, we have many available plans here, and I think that you'll fit just right into the scale plan because. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing right there, right? So we have two videos. The first video, which is basically myself doing a personalized intro because I'm using the AI voice cloning, as well as I'm using the dynamic background, which is basically or can be the lead's website. So we're making a great personalized message for this lead, right? And secondly, I'm jumping over to another video I recorded separately where I'm showcasing basically our, well, just the plans that we have, right? Whatever I'm offering the lead that I'm targeting, right? So this is a great scenario because, yeah, there are just a few benefits here that you can take advantage of. So first of all, we do have a limit of 2 minutes when it comes to dynamic videos. But with this, with this hack, let's call it that way, you can of course extend the video much longer, and moreover, you can of course just use 18 seconds out of your minutes allocation. We won't consider the rest of the minutes that you'll use, so you won't be using more of, compared to what you were expecting to use, right? So that's great. And yep, so let me show you how this process goes. Let me go back to my library here, and I'm standing in the folder that I, recorded my videos. You can see them that they are separated videos. So if you do want to use the dynamic background, you'll need to make a video into face format, right? So like right now, the video that I'm recording for you, this is in both format because I'm recording both my face and the background, right? Just like this one right here. But you want to make the first one, the initial one, in face mode so you can take advantage of the dynamic background, right? So that's what I have here. And there's the other video is right there. So what I'll do is click on the first one, which the system will automatically consider as the dynamic one, okay? And actually, let me remove it so we can see that from scratch. So this is what you'll see right here. And let me show you something else. Hey, watermelon, I'm even more. So my video right there had a little, pause. So what I did before was go here into the trim section and remove the extra space. Okay, so that's something you might want to consider. Just double check that before combining the video. And once that trimming is done, you can go and click in this section, add video. Look up the second video, which is right here. Make a click on it, select it, and yep, just as simple as that, we'll have our combined video, and you can tell by the number right there. You can click there, remove it, or change it. So far so good. We'll go now to our dynamic video section, create a dynamic video campaign. Okay, so be sure to have the name personalization on if that's what you want, of course. Click here, click on browse. And yeah, so what you want to do right now, you'll notice you'll still have two videos here, but you need to select the video number one. Why? Because the new video number one is already combined and it will drag the second video with it. Okay, so we can even just confirm that right here. Hey, watermelon, I'm done here. You can tell that now we have two segments right there, so we can confirm that we have our combined video ready for the dynamic video campaign. Okay, so it is as simple as that. The system will automatically just, again, consider the first video as the dynamic one, and the second video will always be a regular video. Okay, so another thing that I like to do is that, let me go back here, and yeah, to my library actually. Okay, so because I can reuse this video over and over again, you can always click here to duplicate it so you can, again, make it or use it again in new campaigns. So that's another thing you would like to consider. But this is exactly what you're getting, and I believe this is a great feature. So let me know if you have any questions.